The coffee finger, let me see. Yeah, it is.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Got him! Got him!
Blood clots, what is it? Ice cream, pistachio.
Then dead, my dad. Yo, big up to my lion subscriber, man. Big up to the viewers. But yo, we don't see what I go on. We don't see how Squaddy I deal with the thing grimy. Squaddy bad. I have to give Squaddy the MVP. Cause enough time in I care back I strap up some girl. And some small spot I strap up some girl and me I tell her say, muscle contract kill me. I've seen Squaddy on the back seat, I deal with the thing like a skill archie. Me I wonder how him tongue no catch muscle contract. It's like you know see how Squaddy tongue move like a rattlesnake up in a girl hole. Judge I know, Squaddy bad. I see Squaddy stay so I dip him finger in the thing and I lick it off. And look on him face expression. It really have me I wonder if Pum Pum have a taste. The other dog says so dip, lick, dip suck, dip suck. Yo, me really I wonder if it tastes like rum and raisin. Squaddy bad, not just Squaddy. Them young youth of these days. I meet a young youth couple years ago. The dog look upon me and say, yo dog, I love eat front. Me eat front for an hour straight till my neck hurt me. Young youth, you know, so me I wonder, yo, if it really tastes like ice cream to all the dog them deal with the thing and love do the thing. But me not lie still. When I beat Squaddy bad, when I forgot easy. Squaddy want to kill himself. I want him do still a film action, know him have to deal with the consequences that come with it. Squaddy want to kill himself. Squaddy for understand say, yo, there's more to life, man. Even if you lose your wife and your job, brother, you have a skill. Squaddy skill na normal. Squaddy can go star, blues. Squaddy can go do a OnlyFans. You see me? Squaddy can eat him way out of Jamaica for a green card. Amount of girl my sister jump on the media and request to Squaddy and say, yo, I want to tell Squaddy left him wife now. I bet a space there for him. Enough girl want marry Squaddy, enough girl want this from Squaddy. Squaddy don't fi kill himself, man. Squaddy fi know so there's more to life, man. But yo, me I tell you, it real out there, man. On a big man level still, me I keep it real in the scene. So when I see Squaddy step out and go cheat on him wife and then him go get catch. Seeing? Alright, I'm telling this straight up. Most man cheat. Most man cheat, but not all, most. But for the ones them wanna cheat physically, them cheat mentally. And in my opinion, me feel like say more man cheat on woman, more than woman cheat on man. You see me? So for the man them, you see, if you don't plan to go in a relationship and chances are one might cheat, do not go into the relationship. But if you're already in the relationship and you feel like you want to cheat, go to your woman and make sure know. Go to your woman and say, baby, I feel like I want the next woman. You see me? I want to have that conversation and come to an agreement. It's either when you broke up, or it's either she give you a bus, or it's either whatever. Remember, a phone relationship is not you and her and me, or you and her and society. It's the two of you. So whatever you agree upon, you do. See me I say? Because you don't want to go behind her back, cheat on her, and then whatever in the dark come to light, just like a real Squaddy and my friend them are everybody who me know. Every man me know who cheat, them get catch. And with that though, that affect them woman mentally and physically. You see me? Sometimes the ladies them want to kill themselves, sometimes the ladies them want whatever, but it affect them negatively. And you don't want that, you see me? Because you come into that person's life when them did good. And because you feel like you did want to cheat on them, you go cheat on them behind them back and then them go find out that mash them up. And you don't want that. And this goes for the thinking drunker girl them too. Because you know, I go like an angel. You know, coming at man good life and come give him bun and then it go make him turn madman, start walk up and down naked. Or him decide to borrow him friend gun and come kill you and kill himself. So, moral of the story, you see, if you no plan for going in a relationship and chances are no want to cheat, nobody go in it. But if you in it already and no want to cheat, make your man or your woman know what is up and our conversation and we decide what we want to do after that. You see me? That's as real as it can get. Yo, big up to the dog them we eat front and bowl with it. Big up to the dog them we eat front and make people know so them eat front. You see the one them we hide and eat, you see Uno. You see Uno, I'm afraid of Uno. Uno will kill me. Uno will hide and kill me. Uno will hide and set up my life. Uno will hide and make me get herpes. Uno will hide and make me get sitting on my lip. I'm afraid of Uno. You see Uno, Uno dangerous. And enough of Uno out there do it, you know. Enough of Uno out there do it. And me I telling you, say, yo, you see where reach Squaddy? So reach Uno. Yo, Squaddy a liar still, you know. Squaddy look for the bridge and say, yo dog, a liar the girl I tell. She sneak and record me. Me never know so she record. Yo, Squaddy lie. Yo, no look I tell you Squaddy never lie. Look at this.
Yeah, how it is.
Ice cream.
Yeah, how it is.
Ice cream.
Yo, try to we can't stop laughing. You saw the frigga lie. Yo, Squaddy lie. Yo, Squaddy and them youth a liar, you know, dog. Yeah, man, and this reach, you know, man. Ah, man, tell ya. See me they telling you know, people. What influence people? Blow movie. Not dance or music, you see? A blues that influence people, them. A movie, blue movie, jaja. Yo, but fun and joke aside, people. Imagine this. A police just done have some front on the job. The front have be a STD and be a herpes up the night. Just done have some front on the job, you know. And then walk up on the main road and see a car come down the road and fun it down. And walk up to a car brawling. Yo, you know, for thank God for Corona, cause you see if I never for the mask thing these days, trust me, when Squaddy come up to the car in your face and say, yo, right or left, what you can do for yourself? You would have see a piece of chlamydia fly out of your mouth or a piece of herpes fly out of your mouth and drop on your top lip and stay some willy bungs. You just get infected. That me make you know. Big up Corona. Anyway, she there. Outside now, Corona, I'm outside. You see it, Positive Street, 876. You know the thing go.
Yeah. The way I try and stay positive, and I don't treat the way I living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. When I hear from them, now we not beg none of them. Cause when I look a friend, and when I look a man, I don't know what one pretend. Just grab her up and hand. I don't know what one pretend. Just grab her up and hand. The way I try and stay positive, and I don't treat the way I living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. When I